Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where we are actually driving Lucky right now. And you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. So we are driving to the Miami area, to Coral Gables, to the Tesla service station to see what they can do about the squeaky wheel. It is a beautiful day for a drive in a Tesla. I just want to say that, while it's awesome that 80% of repairs and bodywork and maintenance with the Tesla can be done via mobile service. I love driving my Tesla, and I don't get enough opportunities lately in this crazy pandemic world to drive my Tesla. Already love Tesla. If you're thinking about buying a Tesla, or if you're just curious about electric vehicles in general, please subscribe to our channel, TesLUCKY. All of our videos are Tesla related, and clicking like and subscribing, click the bell for notifications, comments, those are some really simple and easy ways that you can show support for a little mother-daughter YouTube channel devoted to Tesla, like TesLUCKY. Hey Carly, in the third row seats back there, can you give a wave to the viewers of TesLUCKY? As you may have seen in the previous video, this is part 2 on the Lucky squeaky wheel 2-part series. First video was Franco coming to Big Pine Key and diagnosing the issue, and then the second video here is showing the repairs. We do expect to be given a loaner vehicle in Coral Gables. They couldn't flat out guarantee it, but I think they're going to do the best they can to save a loaner vehicle for us. They said, they know that we're coming from the Florida Keys, and Carly also has an eye doctor appointment today that I need to take her to. So fingers crossed that we do get that loaner vehicle. Plus, it would be really fun to have like a Model 3 for the day and get to play dune buggy and watch YouTube and do all the things that the Model 3 people get to enjoy. I got an email from Tesla that showed that they ordered 2 parts for the repair today. The 2 parts that they ordered, these are just the acronyms, I guess. FR, UPR, ARM, ASSY, RH, and then LH. So I assume that's like front upper arm, ASSY, I don't know, assembly maybe? And then left and right. Okay, autopilot, I'm still here. Sorry, shouldn't be looking at my email, even though it's a paper email. Doing this little drive-in autopilot, which is why I'm not giving you my usual eye contact, because I'm keeping an eye on the road as I tell you about the drive here. Okay, so I approved the estimate, which was $907.40. So we'll see if that's what it cost. Obviously, it's an estimate. It could cost a little bit more, could cost a little bit less. I'm not excited about giving Tesla $900 today for repairs, but, Lucky is a 4.5-year-old vehicle. She's out of warranty. If you take the new tires that we had to buy for Lucky, actually my dad bought for Lucky, thanks Dad. If you take the new tires out of the equation, I've spent more money on TesLUCKY than I have on Lucky the Tesla. The other thing I want to mention is that Carly and I have 495 subscribers to start the day for TesLUCKY. And we have decided how we're going to celebrate our 500 subscribers. We're not going to tell you today. We're going to leave this, make a little bit of suspense out of this. But for our 100 subscribers, we had a mobile donut party. For 250 subscribers, we had a mobile coffee party. So we're not doing anything that involves people other than me and Carly. But we have an idea for how we're going to celebrate 500 subscribers. So 5 more subscribers, and we'll tell you what the idea is. We're now on the mainland, and there's so many cars. These cars are making me crazy. I'm just going to put it in autopilot to deal with this bumper to bumper. Lucky, will you please do the driving so that I don't have to deal with all these cars? Coral Gables, next exit. We have to get off on Bird Road. Cars, traffic, cars, streetlights. It all makes me miss Big Pine Key, Carly. There it is, Carly. See it? Tesla. There it is. We're here.
Oh my God. That 10:20 was my eye therapy appointment. I didn't know we went to Tesla first. I'm okay with that though.
Yeah, your eye appointment is at 3 o'clock.
Can I stay in the car, or do I have to come out?
I don't know. We have to figure out how do we get checked in.
Looks like you're just parking your car for now. How long is this gonna take?
I don't know, Carly. They said 2 to 3 hours, and hopefully we're going to get a loaner. We're in a Model S! We got a Model S loaner! Let's go to the supercharger and make a plan for what to do before your eye doctor appointment, okay? We're in an S! I'm insane for the S. What do you want to name our loaner car?
Aaron.
Aaron?
Yes.
Like errands? Like we're running errands?
R-E-R-E-N.
Aaron? E-R-A-N?
Yes. Just
Aaron.
go along with it.
Okay, our car today is Aaron. All right, say goodbye to Lucky for a while. Bye. Lucky, we're going to be in Aaron. Good luck, Lucky. Bye. I want to just say, like, this would drive me insane. This giant air bubble on the MCU would drive me insane. Okay, so one thing
we got answers to find.
I know we got to figure things out, but now the first question Carly asked is, are we going to have to pay for supercharging? And the answer is, I don't know. Okay, this Tesla, Aaron, has 32,669 miles.
I wonder if there's like been any. It
says it's Gables Loaner is the name. Let's change the name.
It's a meme. Go with it.
E-R-E-H. So maybe we don't have YouTube. Where's the?
No, we don't have YouTube.
We don't have YouTube. Do we have car karaoke?
How do we pull it up though?
I don't know.
Do we not have car karaoke?
Here, hold on.
That's all I want in life is car karaoke.
Okay, so we don't have YouTube. We have the same farts. I'm sure we have the same farts. Okay, Carly. Let's see. What do we need to know about how can we tell like what vehicle?
Wait, there's a sunroof in this car. There's a sunroof.
Yeah, we have a sunroof.
What?
Oh, I wonder if it opens.
It does.
Oh, Carly, open the sunroof. Wow! Look at that. How cool.
Oh, God, what did I do? Okay.
You want to leave it open?
Oh, it's automatic. You don't have to hold it.
Oh, how cool.
Whoa, we got a sunroof. Do we have Ludicrous? No, we don't. So we just have comfort.
Oh, they only give us
Comfort, standard, and
chill
sport.
and standard. Yeah, here we are.
Walk up to Eden.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
So I'll explain to you the joke so you're not confused. In the show Attack on Titan, if you've seen it, you'll know. There's this character named Mikasa, and I swear every 10 seconds she says, Eden!
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get Moe's for lunch.
Woohoo!
We
Moe's!
haven't had Moe's in a long time.
Moe's!
Carly. So let's see where the nearest Moe's is, and then we can order the food to be brought out to the car. Hey, Carly, how was your lunch?
Good.
Mo-rific. I'm going to show the viewers of TesLUCKY like the frunk and the trunk space and like the doors and everything. Model S. Yes. Interesting, that doesn't open up all the way. Hey, Carly. So here's the trunk space here. We brought our blankets and our gear. It's pretty good trunk space. And then the handles, you know, are different on the S. I like the handles better on the X. Here we are. Let's see what's going on in the frunk. There's the size of the frunk. And now it's nap time in the Model S. Carly, are you already in nap mode? Are you faking to be asleep? Nap time is over, and it was good. I think that napping in the S is pretty equivalent for me, the driver, as napping in the X. But Carly prefers napping in the S because the back seat, you know, with the middle seat and everything, it's like she's got more room to stretch out there. Since with our X, you know, we have the 6-seat configuration.
Now it was the 5-seat consideration.
If it was a 5 or a 7, it might be more equivalent to this. If anybody has a 5 or a 7-seat Model X, let us know how napping in the back seat for a kid is. In the meantime, I'm going to see if I can beat the Model S in backgammon. Check it out though. Look, I can mount a camera on the sky roof.
Cool.
So Lucky's getting charged while we are.
Wait, how is she getting charged?
They're charging her at the service center. No, I sent them a message in the Tesla app and asked if they could charge Lucky while she was there, and the guy wrote back like a half an hour later that she was being charged as we text. How's that camera angle? Can you see on the phone?
That's pretty good. I like it.
You can see the road?
You mainly see the dashboard though. Not like you're not seeing a lot outside.
Hey, look, Carly, we're getting behind a Tesla.
Cool. Model S.
Model S, baby blue up ahead.
Mom, you're gonna want to make sure you blur out the license plate. Or if it's going super fast, make sure.
License plates are public information. So I don't think I have to blur it out.
Okay, well that doesn't really seem nice to the person. Maybe some creepy guy's gonna look up their information.
Well, it would be good exercise for me to try to learn how to blur it out. But, I mean, I just, I don't know. I'll think about it. Okay, so we are heading back to the Tesla service center right now. It's 4:25, and they were able to get the service done same day. It's been a nice experience driving the S. Fantastic convenience with the loaner. Really made a difference in the quality of our day today and what we were able to get accomplished. And of course, we were able to take a nap in the Model S. But I'm ready to get Lucky back. Are you ready to get Lucky back, Carly?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just thought that I would put the camera on the mount on the sky roof. What is that called? The sunroof. And dedicate this particular camera angle to a Canadian named Sam who loves when we try different things with the cameras. So I don't know if this footage is going to be excellent or bizarre, but whatever we get, we get. And just a quick shout out to Sam. Thank you so much again for your feedback on our Alligator Alley video. Carly, I also figured out that the Model S we're driving is 2016, just like Lucky. So we're back in Lucky, and I just couldn't be any more thrilled. First of all, the service cost $541.20. It was like half of what I was expecting it to be. And then I found out from the representative that they only needed to replace the part on one side. So half the expense. Thank you, Tesla. Wonderful adventure this afternoon in a Model S. Thank you, Tesla. Got the service done same day. Thank you, Tesla. So that's 3 thumbs up. I'm sure we could come up with another reason for a thumbs up. But, the last reason for the thumbs up is that the wheel squeaks no more. Let me show you this. All right, Lucky, let's show off the no squeaking. Beautiful. Other direction. Beautiful. Let's show in reverse. That is the sound of silence. This is the real life of a Tesla owner, 4.5 years into the vehicle, minor repair. Couldn't be any more pleased with customer service provided today by Tesla here at the Coral Gables Service Center near Miami. Bye, Teslas. Bye, Teslas. Over and out from TesLUCKY.